Hello everyone, today I will show you how to enable 7TV emotes in OBS Studio. And here's how it's done. Steps 1. Install 7TV emote extension. Go to the 7TV website, https 7tp.app. Sign up or log in into your account on the site. Link your Twitch or YouTube account to 7TV to enable emotes. 2. Set up 7TV in OBS Studio using a browser source. Open OBS Studio. 3. Add a browser source for emotes. In OBS Studio, go to the Sources panel. Click the plus button to add a new source. Choose Browser. Name the source, example, 7TV Emotes, and click OK. 4. Set up the 7TV Chat Emote Overlay. Go to the 7TV website and find the Emote Chat Overlay tool for Twitch or YouTube. For Twitch, you can find the 7TV Overlay URL on their website. For example, for displaying emotes directly in the stream or as a chat overlay. Copy the URL of the overlay from the 7TV website. 5. Configure the browser source in OBS. Paste the copied 7TV emote overlay URL in the URL field in the browser source settings in OBS. Adjust the width and height to match the overlay size you want, usually 1920 by 1080 or smaller if you want it to fit a part of your stream layout. Click OK. 6. Position the emote overlay in your scene. Once the 7TV emotes are added, you can resize and move the emote overlay source on the preview screen to fit it into your stream layout. 7. Enable chat integration optional. If you want to show emotes in the chat or use them in an interactive way, you can use chatbot integrations like Streamlabs or Stream Elements to fetch and display emotes based on Twitch or YouTube chat commands. 8. Test the emotes. To test the emotes appear correctly, you can either join your own Twitch or YouTube chat and use 7TV emotes. Ask someone in your chat to use 7TV emotes to ensure they are visible in OBS. And that is everything you need to know about how to enable 7TV emotes in OBS Studio. Before we end, may I humbly ask you a favor? Please do like, share, and subscribe to our channel. This means the world to us. Thank you so much for watching. We hope to see you in our next video.